Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Then click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. When you finished, just close your app and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down to access Apps section. Then scroll down again. Click on Default Apps, click on Home App, and finally tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then select OK and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my VIVO device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!